Eureka RapidClean Pro lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner. High-efficiency powerful digital motor LED headlights. Convenient stick and handheld vac-efficient cordless cleaning. Powered by the latest motor technology, the RapidClean makes cleaning convenient and thorough. 40 minutes long-lasting runtime. Up to 40-minute fade-free runtime. Easily switch to max power on fingertip controls to increase suction for better cleaning on carpet and rugs. Easy rest feature. Need to take a break? The specially designed Easy Rest Nook allows you to safely prop the vacuum up on countertops and furniture. Filtration. Foam under furniture reach. We moved the dust cup to the front, so you can lay the vacuum completely flat to reach under beds and furniture. With ease LED headlights, bright beams light the way so you can see dust and debris.